good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are enjoying your Saturday. It is a nice day to get out there. Temperatures around the area are in the 60s. Right here in Starkville, we are sitting, maybe it's going to come today or tomorrow, 64 degrees southwest wind at 3 miles per hour, making our dew points down into the 20s to around 30. Nice. Good day, not too hot, not too cool out there. Temperatures around the region are sitting into the mid 60s across the area. But back off to our west, we are seeing 72, 75 up in Tulsa. This warm air is going to start to move our way, going to warm our temperatures up for Sunday. We're going to see a low tomorrow, this evening, of around temperatures in the 40s across the state of Mississippi. But on Sunday, it's going to get a little bit warmer. We have this high pressure system down to the south, going to be feeding us in that Gulf air, going to raise our dew points and our temperatures. Temperatures in the areas are going to be generally in the 70s. Now going into Monday, we have also southeasterly flow, and as well as temperatures rising up into the lower 70s, could reach around 80 in Jackson. We're going to probably set some records in high temperatures. But now on Tuesday, we have to deal with this low pressure system. This is the typical where we see severe weather. But the positioning of this low and the timing of this is going to be critical of how severe these storms are going to be. Right now they have the front set out from Louisiana up into western Tennessee, but I don't think that's really going to be the case, because that means the moisture would have to wrap around this low and go back down all the way to Texas. That's not really probable in this case. It's probably going to be Texas up through Arkansas into Tennessee, and the low pressure is going to be circulating in northeast Arkansas, western Tennessee, as well as the Missouri Boot Heel. And that's the typical case, and where we see some severe weather. Some of this could be strong in nature, but we'll keep an eye on that for you. Temperatures are going to be in the 60s, which is going to be generally the case, and when we usually see some stronger weather. 40 degrees for tonight. It's going to be nice, calm, and clear. South winds at around 5 miles per hour going into tomorrow. It's going to be a beautiful day out there. Get out there, enjoy it. 70 degrees, south wind at 5 to 15. Winds are going to be starting to increase, especially on Monday, when I see a more southeasterly flow. Humidity is going to rise into Tuesday, where we're going to see some showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be strong. Keep connected with Campus Connect for that. But Wednesday going to be cooling off into the 50s. Going in on Thursday and Friday, we could see a stray shower or so there, but I don't really worry about that. But we're going to have to worry about Tuesday before we worry about these 2 days. Then on Saturday, partly cloudy skies. Highs are going to be in the 60s.